Thank you so much for watching here. I'm going to show you really quick how to apply these nail strips and what's in a package. So here is a package of Color Street nail strips. They come 16 in a package and you only have 10 nails, so you've got a little bit extra there too. So let me show you real quick what's in this package and then I'll show you how to apply them really quick. All right, so here's a package. You might find them in different sizes. They have changed their machine a couple times. And you're just going to take this piece off and unfold it like so. And in here, you will find your pack of nail strips in many different sizes. So don't worry, there's a size for everybody. I usually fit my thumbnail fits on this size here and my toenail fits here. Your thumbnail might fit this or it might be smaller. So there's two packets in here for a total of 16. So you can do a mani and a pedi with one of these. You will also have a nail file in there and a prep pad or an alcohol pad. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you how to do this. So you want to take a nail strip and you want to kind of size it up to your fingernails and try to figure out what is the best fit. So this fit would actually fit my thumbnail the best. I am, however, going to apply it to my middle finger just to show you a little tip and trick in case you do select a size that's too big. So first off, you've got to take this plastic piece off. That is super important. It's going to be really hard to work your nail strips if you don't. All right, then you're going to take this silver tab. You are going to want to take your prep pad, wash your hands really well, and then use your prep pad on your fingernails and the pads of your fingers because you'll be touching these. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do that now. So you're going to take this off and you're going to get as close to your cuticle as you can without actually going over it. Now, I recommend about 30 minutes before you're ready, oiling up your nails with some nail oil. Coconut oil is fine too if you got that at home, or olive oil. And you're going to push your cuticles back either with your finger or you're going to get a cuticle pusher to push it back because you don't want any skin because these do not like to stick to skin. So, all right, let's go ahead. I've put it on there and I just rub back and forth on this area close. Then I'm going to take my fingernail and go right down the center of the nail like that, all the way to the edge. I'm then going to go kind of side to side towards the base of my nail. And then if you're doing a solid, this is important for solids, you're going to want to kind of tug that very lightly and just kind of lay it down. And that prevents any wrinkles. Tug lightly and layer down. Okay. And you're going to smooth that out really, really nice. I do have actually a bit of old acrylic on my nail, as you can see here, and I didn't buff it out. So if you see a ridge there, that's what it's from. Alrighty, so there's two ways to take this off. I like to kind of tuck it here. You can take your thumbnail. This is the acrylic I was talking about. One of my nails broke, so I got that on there. These layer over acrylics really well, guys. Or natural nails. I only usually do the builder if a nail breaks. So slide that thumbnail underneath the strip and it perforates it and comes apart. Awesome, right? Okay, so I just took the rest of that off. I'm going to show you on this side a different way to do it. So a different way is to kind of tuck it like so. A lot of times I will, you can cut it and tuck it. I like to leave it for about 5 minutes and then I'll take my nail file, especially with solids. Solids tend to shrink this way a little bit. So if you leave them for about 5 minutes, it prevents any shrinkage. All right, you're going to take your nail file and you're going to file straight down. Do not go side to side, just go straight down on all sides of the nail strip and it will start to perforate. So you can see where it's starting to perforate right there. So we're going to go until it's completely perforated and comes off on its own. You don't want to tug it because you don't want to rip anything. Okay? There you go. Now I told you that I did this one too big because I want to show you how to get that excess off the side. So you're going to rub it down really good, like so, on your sides, the part that's on the nail. Then you're going to take your thumbnail or your fingernail, and you're just going to push down really lightly along your cuticle, back and forth. And you don't want to pull, back and forth like so. And you don't want to pull it up too soon because you don't want to rip anything. So you want to make sure, if you bend your nail, that it's completely separated from the nail strip. Then you're just going to scrape it off. Like so. Oop, this one's sticking really nice to my skin. Okay. There you go. How beautiful is that? And we're going to do the same thing over here. Just kind of push down into it until it completely separates from the rest of the nail strip. And then just pull it off. Like so. All right, let me get this little bit extra off. And that's it. It gets a lot faster the more you do it. If it wasn't on the camera, I probably would have done this a little faster too. But that is it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And you just want to avoid washing your hands or putting lotion on your hands for about 30 minutes. You can kind of, if you want to wash your hands real quick, that's fine. Just don't soak your hands in any kind of waters or oils or lotions for 30 minutes to an hour. Now, they are still a little soft for like 2 hours. You can go and do things. Just don't do anything strenuous. Like, don't go scraping at stuff with your nails for a couple hours. You can go in the middle of your manicure. If your kids need you, your dog needs you, your husband needs you, whoever needs you, and you need to go stop in the middle, they're already dry. Like, I can rub my fingers across it. They are dry. I can go do things. I can go, cook, use a knife. I can go tend to my kids, change a diaper, whatever you need to do. Go do it. You're free. The moment it's on your finger, you're good to go do stuff. Just avoid soaking your hands in water for a little bit. All right. Thank you so much. If you have questions, let me know below. I'm happy to help out. If there's something else that you want to see, let me know, and I'll either make a video or I'll point you to the video that I already have. So thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day.